it do, baby? We're checking in live from Orchard View, if I'm not mistaken. First things first, it's a bad start because I'm used to grabbing a cart whenever we go golfing. Now, today, we're with Kyle. Apparently, they have limited carts, whatever, this and that. So they asked us, do you guys mind walking? And obviously, Kyle was like, okay. And obviously, I had to be like, okay, but I'm not okay. I'm pissed. Look at this. This one has a Ferrari over here, and then Cookiee Cooks has this old little dinky winky over here. I had to re-evaluate the situation. I had to get myself a cart. Very unfortunate, but hey.
Left. Where's it at?
I didn't even see it. I think that's me, I ain't gonna lie. Noodle, that is me, yes. See you on the green, fellas.
You can't get better than that. Good start though. That's why we practice putting. Easy par. I'm thinking you're gonna hit 50 today, and I'll be in the 30s, 39.
And I'm gonna be at what, 45?
No, 50.
Oh my goodness.
Rangefinder says 134 yards.
You might go in the water though, I believe.
Think I'm going in the water?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Get in the water.
I wasn't even close to the water.
I'm calling green. Let's go green.
It's Buddy, it's in Buddy's fucking backyard. You hit the tree. And
That
then
was a good shot though.
and then landed in the backyard. You almost broke Buddy's window.
Guys, so this is the first time in my golf career that I'm able to potentially have a par. Come with me. Hey, big shout out to Spencer, we've been waiting for this day. Fortunately, you weren't here today, but with that being said, I got my par, baby, so we ain't tripping. Hey, what are your bets? Obviously, you already said that you're gonna finish, I'm gonna finish at 50, and you're gonna be at under 30, you said, right?
In the 30s.
In the 30s.
39.
Now, what happens if Cookiee Cooks beats you? That's what I wanna know.
I'll give you my car.
For real?
Bet.
Your brand new car?
Yeah. Yeah, I need some motivation, so that'll give me motivation.
So if I beat him, I'm winning the car.
100%.
He shook on it.
I shook him.
He said 100%.
It's gonna give me motivation. I'm just gonna play lights out now.
Let's see. Listen, I got myself in the hole. Now, I need to hit this ball across these trees to get to the green that's on the other side over there. Kind of like a line drive straight low. And it doesn't have to touch any trees. Is that too much to ask? Yes! Let's go! So listen, we're here. Boom, the green is there. And we were all the way back there. That's where we were. Since he bet his car, he started getting way too serious.
For birdie.
Look, he's not even wearing his glove.
You don't wear a glove for putting.
You see that extra thing that you needed there would have been your glove. With the glove, would have been in.
See if you can do it.
Okay, Kyle, well, you sold me the red rocket. I just want to let you know, if you hit the green right here, my red rocket is back to you.
Oh, go in the hole.
Yes, it's not on the green. Welcome to our segment, Find Your Ball.
Right there.
Mine?
Mine. What is it?
TaylorMade.
That's what I thought, baby.
There's a guy following us, and he was like, you guys need to hurry up. And by the way, I just found my ball. That guy keeps following us, Kyle. What do you think?
Dude, this guy's rushing me. I just want to play golf. Wow, you fucking smoked it. Look. What is that?
Yeah, I got scared because there was a
Four.
sir here. Sir, I didn't mean to hit you, so
Oh, you didn't.
I messed up my shot because I heard you coming, though.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, there's someone coming.
Go.
Okay. Again, you see, again, because someone was coming, I messed up my shot.
You know what this says?
What?
It says get your merch to Cookiee Cooks on Instagram.
My camera died. We're gonna switch to the iPhone, baby. How many holes are left, Kyle?
2.
2 holes left. Kyle had to get shoes like this because he forgot how to tie his shoes.
Show him your golf shoes.
At least I tie my shoelaces.
Where's the grip at the bottom? Show
I
him
don't need-
yours.
I don't need a grip.
Show him your golf shirt.
Kyle is tripping. But he doesn't know that this is a t-shirt, but it's a tailor-made t-shirt. Tailor-made is golf, right?
Show us the tag.
Huh?
Show the tag.
They don't want to see it. They know it. Phil Mickelson gave this to me personally. Callaway? Yeah, but before he went with Callaway, he was with TaylorMade, and that's when he gave it to me, like a while ago. I was young.
And Miguel Cienfuegos with an absolute piss missile. He's 2 holes over.
I'm in a fairway of the other hole, which is good. Do you see any potential in Mr. Cookie Cooks in the golfing profession?
I'll compare it to like myself, whereas like I never golfed until like grade 12. But so we both played sports. We're both athletes, but I would also say we're natural athletes because we can go to a different sport and pick it up fairly quickly. Golf is a little bit harder. I think you're doing pretty good. That was smoked. That was our fault. Sorry, man.
What a flop, eh?
Going for that birdie, babe.
So how do you doing here today, walking 9 holes, Mr. Caldema?
Good, you know, I'm trying to cut some LBs.
OBs? LBs?
Pounds.
Are you counting like your steps or something? Will Kyle play under 40 or not? What a flop. Alright, so we finally decided to play 18 holes. We are live at the 10th hole. 9 to go. What was my total? 5 plus 7, that is 12. 3, that's 15. Then we got 21, 27,
1,
34.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 over 36. 51.
Oh my god!
Pretty close.
Basically, my goal is, what did I play? 51? I'm gonna try to play under 51. Like this video right now to wish me luck to play under 51. And guess what? I'll make it work. Oh, very nice shot. It's a good shot. Wow. Incredible.
Right here.
Oh, look, he's right there.
That's not a bad shot.
I mean, now what? Oh, yeah. Look at this view, ladies and gentlemen.
You want to see something spectacular? Oh, right over this hill, underneath all the trees, into the opening, run it back over.
In the fairway.
Hopefully.
Definitely won't happen.
Don't ever doubt me, Mick. Don't doubt me.
Kyle blaming it again on the freaking people yelling. Okay, listen, stop talking and listen to all the sound that's in the background.
Yeah.
Listen, shh.
Right when someone goes, ah, and jumps out at you, because unexpected, right?
Right?
Right. Fucking birds chirping, little airplanes going by.
That's expected.
Expected, doesn't bother you.
I'm gonna try to with him a little bit, try to yell at him, make him miss his shot and stuff, but I'll let you know how that goes. Raw! Okay then, you see? The sound doesn't make you lose the focus. Look at that shot. That was a rocket, my guy.
Hey, Mick.
Oh my god.
Don't be Oh.
We don't need no warm-up thing. Take a warm-up shot.
Oh, yes. That's money. Oh, he hits the flagstick.
I feel like that could have been a hole-in-one. You never done that? Kyle never done that.
I don't think I've ever hit the flagstick. It usually goes right in the hole when I do it.
2 gloves, baby. 2 gloves.
Why do you always hit it to the fucking moon?
It's all the way to the left. That ball is gone. Sauce me a ball, please.
I don't have another ball.
I'll record this. I'm gonna go ask him for a ball. Hey, you mind saucing me a ball, my friend? Yeah, you need one? Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, there comes the nuke. Oh.
We're both athletes. You're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 over. You bogey this one, you shoot a 50. You got 51 last. If I par, I get my 39. I got a bogey to get 40 again.
It's directly on the green. Listen, I promised you guys that I was gonna do it and that I was gonna have the best back 9 than the front 9. So this is where it's playing off, and this is it. This is where it starts.
Wow.
All right, I need to get on the green on this one, then 2 putts. Yeah, very realistic.
2 putt to shoot a 39.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the ball is rolling. It's way fast, and it keeps rolling.
Why'd
It
I hit
goes
that
down.
so hard? You fucking idiot. Let's go home.
What was the final result? Did I play better on the first 9 or
Tied.
final 9? Tied?
Yeah, 51-51.
There you go. And you?
40-40.
What a great day. Tied, no one wins, no one loses. Everyone just
No,
respects.
Lost.
I lost, why?
By 22 strokes.
Remember this, right now I'm playing what over?
No.
30. Oh my goodness, from 22 to 30. I'm playing 30 over. Soon I'll be playing 20, then 10. Then I'll just be playing the normal. Shout out to Kyle Dama.
Have a nice COVID quarantine.
And with that being said, peace out, homie G.
See you later.